Hi everyone, Diana here. Thanks for tuning into Hangry. Today we're going to make some roast chicken with lemon and artichokes. This recipe comes together really quickly, and the best part is you can get everything at one store, which in the time of COVID is very important. Speaking of things that you'll need, you're going to need some lemon, just one, some minced garlic, some chicken. I'm using thighs and wings and drumsticks here. You're more than welcome to use breasts if that is your preference. Frozen artichoke hearts. I got these at the frozen aisle at Trader Joe's. 1 onion, homemade chicken stock. If yours is store-bought, that is okay. So we're going to dice our onion here. Remember, we save our scraps. And then you also want to mince your garlic. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. That ensures that you have super crisp skin and there's not going to be a lot of splatter. Next, we're going to season it. Salt and pepper is the way to go. If you want to add something else to it, feel free. I have a pan here. I've also got my seasoned chicken at the ready. We are going to get this pan quite hot, add some oil to it, and then we're gonna sear our chicken so that it's nice and golden brown. The chicken has come off now, so we are going to add our onion and our garlic to scrape up all these little bits that are in this pan here. Add a 1/4 cup of chicken stock to your skillet. We've returned the seared chicken in the pan. Now we're going to add our frozen artichokes. Preheat your oven to 425, and now we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, take this out. Should be ready. Let's temp it, yep. There we go. You can garnish with whatever herb you like. I've got parsley here. And then we're gonna serve up this bad boy. I've also got a really nice summery salad that I made here with some snow peas, peaches and tomatoes, olive oil. And then with half a lemon, just going to squeeze this over. You're good. I'm Diana. Thanks for tuning into Hangry. If you like this video, hit subscribe.